Good morning, world. Welcome to the Rhine field of New Forest. Look at the forestation. This is how the government preserve the forest. Okay. See, from generation to generations. Look at this. Thank you, Lord, for this, for the gift of your creation. So it's up to us how we preserve this nature, how we look after them. We need to start to look after them, care for them. Have you heard the sound of the birds? They're singing. Fresh air, good weather. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful blessing. So that we can blame our country, no? The other countries, due to poverty, they are lacking the trees. We need to start planting trees. Gives us fresh air. See, our children will enjoy this. No? But if our government is corrupt, nothing will happen. Can you hear the birds are singing? See, look at this. Kailangan, you need to plant trees. From now on, we need to stop mining. That's for the interest of the small people, investors, businessmen, you know. Look at this. We need to preserve our environment. Today is my day off. This is shore Mamshies. As usual, here. Dad. Thank you for watching.